Oh boy, we are live. If today already feels heavy, your body isn't asking you to push. It's asking you to be supported. It's time to listen. Thanksgiving can be a beautiful day, but for a lot of people in the mature age season, it's also a day that feels emotionally full, physically draining, or just quietly heavy in a way that's really hard to explain. And if your energy or mood feels a little wobbly today, it's not a flaw. That's your system signaling that it's carrying more than you realize. Stay with me. This might meet you right where you are. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And days like today, they tend to reveal what our nervous system has really been holding. We push, we host, we show up, and we stretch. And the whole time, our body is whispering, support me, don't power through me. Most people think their energy dips are age, but they're not. They're overload, taking on too much. I remember holidays where I felt fine in the morning. Then by early afternoon, it was like my whole system shut down. My mind wanted to be present, but my body felt slow, foggy, and heavy. I used to blame myself. Maybe I'm just tired. Maybe I'm just this aging thing. Maybe I should just push through. But looking back, those were early signs that I was carrying more than my nervous system could process. I didn't need motivation. I didn't need to get it together. I needed support. I needed real support, the kind that steadies you from the inside out. And once I started giving my system what it was missing, everything began to shift. Not overnight, but day by day, the heaviness lifted and the energy returned. Here's the truth most people never hear. Heaviness is a signal, not a setback. Your system is saying, I need help, not pressure. Energy doesn't rebuild through willpower. It rebuilds through support, and your nervous system's first support. You can feel steady again with simple, consistent tools. What helped me most is having support for stress load, recovery, and resilience. The kind that keeps you steady before the crash hits. There are ingredients that make these easier. Things like rhodiola, an adaptogen that helps your system handle stress without the crash afterward. It's just have been a quiet but powerful part of my routine. But even more than that, it was realizing I didn't have to do this alone. So if today already feels heavy, or your energy is dipping, or your emotions feel close to the surface, like you're going to lose it, I want you to hear this clearly. Your body isn't breaking down. It's asking for support. And there's support available. It's gentle, it's steady, and it's real. If this landed, drop support or send me a private DM and I'll reach out privately. I've got something that can help you take one grounded step in the right direction. Again, I'm Claudette Eames, and I look forward to talking with you. Happy Thanksgiving.